Hello friends, welcome to Student Corner. Today we will discuss some important problems in class 9 cbsc. First problem. In the given figure, lines xy and mn intersected at 0. And if a is to b is in the ratio of 2 is to 3, then find c. The solution is angle POY is equal to 90 degrees. A is to b is 2 is to 3. And angle POX is equal to angle POY, which is 90 degrees. Angle POX is nothing but angle A plus angle B. Here it is. Angle A is 2x, angle B is 3x. They are in 2 is to 3 ratio. Now 5x is 90 and x is 18 degrees. And A is 36 by multiplying 18 with 2 and B is 54 by multiplying 18 with 3. In M1 line, which is a straight line, angle A and angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle B is 54 degrees and hence angle C is 126 degrees. Now coming to the second problem, that is factorization of x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. For this, we have to split 3x square into two parts, that is minus 4x square plus x square, and 9x into two parts, that is minus 4x and minus 5x. And in this x cube plus x square, common one is x square. And the remaining part is x plus 1. In 4x square and 4x, common part is 4x. Remaining is x plus 1. And this common is minus 5. The remaining is x plus 1. Here, this is the equation. X square minus 4x minus 5 is one part and x plus 1 is one part. And again we have to factorize this one. X square minus 4x minus 5. For this, 4x is split into two parts, that is plus x and minus 5x. Again we have to take common. Among these two, x is common and the remaining is x plus 1. X. In these two, 5 is common and the remaining is x plus 1. Again we get two factors, x plus 1 and x minus 5. Finally, we get three factors, x plus 1 and x minus 5. Now coming to the next problem. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the values of each of the following. 12 cube plus minus 7 whole cube plus minus 5 whole cube. For this, formula is a cube plus b cube plus a cube minus 3xyz is equal to a plus b plus c multiplied with a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. In this formula, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then this part becomes 0 and a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3xyz. And now a cube is 12 cube, a plus b plus c is 0. 12 plus minus 7 plus minus 5, which is equal to 0. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3xyz. 12 cube plus minus 7 whole cube plus minus 5 whole cube is equal to 3 multiplied with 12 multiplied with minus 7 multiplied with minus 5. We will get 1180 as the answer. Thank you. I hope this is useful to you. Please share and subscribe my channel.